2025 Ferrari lineup brings another stunning masterpiece to the automotive world, combining cutting-edge technology, breathtaking design, and pure driving exhilaration. This latest model is a statement of Ferrari's relentless pursuit of perfection, offering a blend of high-performance engineering and luxurious craftsmanship. Starting with the exterior, this Ferrari retains the brand's signature aggressive yet elegant design language. The sculpted bodywork is aerodynamically optimized, featuring sleek lines, a bold front fascia, and redesigned air intakes that enhance both cooling and downforce. The signature LED headlights are sharper, complementing the aerodynamic hood and muscular wheel arches. Ferrari has also incorporated active aerodynamics, allowing for real-time adjustments to maximize efficiency and performance. The rear end is equally striking, with an updated diffuser, quad exhaust tips, and a subtle yet functional rear spoiler, ensuring the perfect balance between beauty and performance. The available color palette includes Ferrari's iconic Rosso Casa, alongside new metallic and matte finishes that add even more exclusivity. Under the hood, the 2025 Ferrari is powered by a finely tuned powertrain, with an electrified component that enhances both performance and efficiency. Whether it's a naturally aspirated V12 or a twin-turbo V8 hybrid, the engine delivers breathtaking acceleration, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds. The precision-tuned suspension and advanced all-wheel drive system ensure exceptional handling, making it a beast on the track while maintaining drivability on city roads. Ferrari's latest gearbox technology delivers lightning-fast shifts, while the improved braking system, featuring carbon ceramic discs, provides unparalleled stopping power. Inside, the cabin is a perfect fusion of sportiness and luxury. Premium materials such as Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine Italian leather wrap every surface. The driver-focused cockpit boasts a redesigned digital instrument cluster, an advanced infotainment system, and an intuitive steering wheel integrating multiple controls. The seats offer both comfort and support, designed to keep the driver secure even at high speeds. The updated center console features a minimalist yet functional layout, with touch-sensitive controls and enhanced connectivity options, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As for pricing, the 2025 Ferrari starts at around $250,000, with higher-end trims and customization options pushing it well beyond $350,000. Ferrari's personalization program allows buyers to tailor every detail, from upholstery to bespoke exterior finishes. This latest Ferrari isn't just a car, it's an experience, offering unmatched performance, luxury, and exclusivity for those who demand the absolute best.